So, I made it camping. So I'm in the air-conditioned tent now. It's a little low. I'm sitting on the cot. I'm going to try to give myself a little bit more room. That's the generator you can hear running in the background. It is powering up my laptop and the air conditioner. I've got a 8-inch fan running, and camp setup, I didn't bore you too much with that. I will in another, maybe in the second one when I go. I will give you a look at the camp, what's around here. This is a test deal. I want to do it with the Forza. I did this with the truck. I'm having a trailer made for the Forza, hopefully within the next couple of weeks, and then I'll be able to take the generator, the air conditioner, the gasoline, and the stuff that I need with me to do the vlogs. And I'm going to try to do 2 or 3 of these a month if I can. But it seems to be, I'm old. In case you're watching for the first time, my name's Dave and I'm 65 years old and I live in Thailand, Surin, Thailand to be exact. And I do live streams on this channel every other day, and we have a lot of fun. So in case you want to watch those, please help yourself, and it would be well appreciated. And if you would subscribe, that would be awesome. So I will show the entrance coming in and the basic what I have set up so far. And I'm going to be here for 2 days. So I will see you again very soon. Well, hello everyone. I was just stepping outside and thought I'd come back in here. I just did a little intro on the M3 Canon, and I wanted to see what the difference is, both sound and video. So we will. They're both shot the same, except that one I think is 1080 60, and this is 1080 50 linear. And I'm camping. So just to give you a little look around, which I didn't on that, there's the, see if I can get some light on it. There's the air conditioner. There's my computer and the M3, and a little USB fan. There's a, right now it's saying 88 outside, 80 inside. So I do have a tarp. You'll see the outside. I'm going to go outside and give you all a good look around. Yeah, I was just wanted to see what it was going to be like shooting here. I turned it around on me now with you know, these GoPros. They don't really do all that great in the dark or in low light. So anyway, that's the generator. I also wanted to see what this is picking up on it. I've got to put my my mic on, and maybe I'll take you for a little walk around. We'll see what's happening outside. Alrighty, see you in a minute. Hello everyone. So let me let you take a look at so let's take a look at the little camping spot here. And got too much stuff, and that's one of the deals here is to go through all this stuff so I can lighten it up for doing moto camping. So got a battery box there, a 31-liter refrigerator here. I'll take a quick peek. Inside, electrical run, Another battery box, the air conditioner, the fan, a little setup for live streaming, and my pad, and the laptop's behind that. And it's about 15 degrees cooler inside the tent, so it's real nice actually, real comfortable. So we'll go over and take a look at the generator. I didn't get to completely finish the extended run. I did bring the stuff with me, and this is water I brought to wash stuff with, dishes, that type of stuff. So I just stuck the hose in here. Eventually this will be mounted in there and epoxied in, and a cap will be on here. But for right now it seems to be working, so we'll see. Gas is getting pulled through. They do have little fuel pumps on them, so it does get pulled. And hopefully we won't get any real high winds, but we'll see. And I'm gonna go and get the steak for tonight. I think I have the rest of the stuff, onions, potatoes, and such, so I will do that. So I will catch up with you when I actually probably start dinner. We'll see. I will be back. Rain? Do I hear rain? See what else is in here. Not enough. Do not have enough coals.
I think my dad is hungry. Can I take gas for to eat?
Yes. Yes.
And I will come back again.
You want to come
But
back?
need to clean everything because dog will come to me.
This is my water bowl.
Huh?
I won't.
You want water?
No. I just said that that is the water bowl. No battery almost didn't run for a long time. So anyway, didn't have enough charcoal, so I'll know for next time. Should have put probably 3 times as much as we put in there. But we'll get a look. Broccoli is good. Potatoes are good. And perfect. It's 5 a.m. I made it through the night. Gonna make a cup of coffee here in a minute. It's not too bad. Rain pretty much all night. But not too shabby. Surprised that the 65-year-old body doesn't like that cot too much. But anyway, let me get the coffee and stuff out and get it on, and I'll get back at you. Well, I got the coffee made. Hopefully it's light enough. No hat, bald head, but not too bad. Fan. Probably about 5:30, and it's probably about 75 degrees out. So getting ready to do a live stream at 8 o'clock this morning. So we'll see how it goes. Like I said earlier, not a bad night's sleep considering, but the 65-year-old bones are showing their age a little bit, but not too bad. Had a good time. So I'm gonna finish my coffee and maybe make some breakfast, and I'll bring you along for that. The dogs are up too, so I will catch you in a minute. Quite a nice sunrise. Anyway, looks like I'm gonna have to change this SD card here in a minute. Got a little movie on, and I guess mosquitoes. So I got these things, although I don't know how to use them all that well. I broke a bunch of them, as you can see, but seems to be helping. Alrighty, I will catch you in a minute, making another cup of coffee. And then, like I said, I think hamburger patty, maybe a couple scrambled eggs, and we'll call that breakfast. And maybe gas up the generator again and get the air conditioner going for the live stream in a couple hours. Alrighty. Well, like I said, I'm having a pretty good time. I think all the locals around here are getting a kick out of the white guy over there with the air conditioned tent, so it's pretty cool. But I'll come back and wrap in just a minute. I'm back. Sun has risen, and I'm still finishing the third cup of coffee and a movie. What is it? Star Trek Into the Darkness. Just background noise. The one element little lantern worked perfect, and everything else has worked pretty good, actually. The campsite's a little dirty, but I need to clean it. I think I'm going to have my wife bring me she's going to come maybe after the live stream, and I told her to bring a little broom so we could sweep off this floor, which is a little dirty. That tarp. So what it's got is a 2x2 meter, which is basically what the tent is, footprint under it, and then this is a 2x3 that basically covers all this way out to the edge. Got a little bit of rain here. Trying to semi-charge the solar light that actually stayed lit all night. I was really surprised. Like I said, I don't need I need less than half of the crap that I brought for the Forza runs ahead, which I'm looking forward to, and I think they're going to be fun. But this Shakedown deal here is working out. Let me pause this for a minute. I think it'll be good. I'm going to go through and write a list of everything that I don't need. The couple of things that I had forgotten, which imagine that with my brain. Anyway, the fan is perfect right now. I think it's 77, and I don't know if you got a picture of it earlier, but that battery bank is running the fridge right now at 40 degrees basically. It's actually about 3 degrees cooler inside there than it is out here. And I'm gonna have to change cards here. This one's almost full, but I think I did decide on potatoes, a hamburger patty, and maybe a couple scrambled eggs for breakfast. But I think I'm gonna eat after the live stream, and then hopefully my wife will come and I'll clean up around here a little bit. I forgot napkins, tissue, whatever you want to call, toilet paper here in Thailand, in case somebody's watching that isn't particularly familiar here. They use rolls of toilet paper right on the lunch table, breakfast table, dinner table, that you just pull off and break off whatever sheets you need, and wipe your mouth, wipe your face, wipe your head, which is my case some of the times because of the hot pepper. But I love it. Isan food is some of the best on the planet, that's for sure. But yeah, it's been an interesting time. Like I said, I don't think I need the 3 tables. I've got the one big one here, but they don't take up a bunch of room. And then there's 2 in the tent. And I think I'm going to still do the live stream from inside there. I'll fire up the generator and have the air conditioning going, because 8 o'clock it'll probably bump up to maybe 80, maybe 81, something like that. By the time I'm done with the live stream, it'll be 85. So I think I've got the mosquitoes at bay now with these little things, whatever they're called. I have 3 of them lit, one on the barbecue, one on the stand they give you, and I have the little metal things. Oh, there's one down there. I should get it. I bought 3 of those, but I've only seen 2. But yeah, exciting so far. I'm hoping you guys getting a kick out of it and enjoying it anyway. It's kind of, it's definitely a different experience going camping at 65 than it was at 35. And that was probably about the last time that I camped was, per se. I did a couple of these moto camping deals in the U.S., but for the most part, I gave up camping mid-30s for slide out motorhomes and 4- and 5-star hotels. But it's kind of cool, kind of liking it. I got to get, they make these other devices for mosquitoes instead of these coils. It's actually a burner deal, but it screws right on the top of these bottles. I forget, thermocell I think they're called. I got to get one of those, and a couple other things that I've written on the list also. So all right, I will maybe straighten up a little bit, and I'll get back to you. The sun's pretty much up now, and I'll finish my coffee and talk to everybody in just a minute. Well, I think live stream went good, and had some fun for just about an hour. It was kind of hard sitting there. The cot was digging into the back of my legs, but went good. Had fun. I think I'm going to have a couple of hamburger patties and tomato, and I think I'm going to sidestep the eggs today. So anyway, I will let you watch a bit of that, and then I'll eat it. All right. They're a little bit frozen, but I don't think it's going to be a problem. I think this will serve as my plate also. Let me move this. Let's get the burner and cool. A little bit of oil, just for the heck of it. So I can fire this off. Got hot quick, didn't it? Should be a good enough breakfast. Let me take my coffee cup here. Fun, wouldn't it? I'm really weird. I like my my meat, my steaks, blood rare, and yet I like my hamburger cooked. I don't know why, but that's why I'm pushing them. Otherwise, I would never press down and get all the nice juice out of them. But anyway, you guys catch the drift. So I'll put a little bit more pepper. Salt and pepper the tomatoes. Looks like a breakfast of champions to me. I won't bore you guys in watching me eat this, but here it is. and I will catch back up with you after I eat this. Alrighty. So, got done with breakfast. It was pretty good. Not bad for a easy slice of tomato and cook a hamburger. Not bad at all. This afternoon, thinking to have a bacon, lettuce, and tomato and avocado sandwich with a little bit of split pea soup that I made day before yesterday. So that ought to be interesting. And then pasta tonight, and then Monday morning I will pack up and get out. But we're going to take a little walk here in a minute and show you the surrounding areas. But yeah, I had another cup of coffee after breakfast also. And the owner of the property just came by. So I said, thank you very much. Let me see if I can let me get out of that. That's probably better. So I told him thank you. That was awfully nice of him to let me stay here on this trial camping deal. But we'll walk around. Be right back. So let's get a look from out here. My wife come to visit with Toby. Hello, Toby. Hello, Nitnoy.
Hello, Dad.
Toby, I have this. What do you think?
What that?
Steak from last night
Maybe keep
for their dog. I almost gave it to your dad to take home. Okay, we'll say hello and I'll visit with my wife. All right, baby. Sound of the generator in the background. We're gonna make bacon, lettuce, tomato, and avocado sandwich. I'm gonna fry up some bacon, and I'll have you looking in as we go through it. All right, see you in a minute. This avocado is super ripe, so let's see if it's not rotten. No, it will be just fine for the sandwich. Probably way too much, but we'll leave that there. Get a tomato. we'll leave it out for just a second. All right, got cheese, got mayo, real mayo. I don't eat it very often, so might as well get the good stuff. Okay, I'm gonna fry up this. Let me go get. I'm gonna see how I'm gonna toast this bread. Nice grain red. And let me start this up again. Cheese. I think that's ready. I'm going to shut this off, put it at kind of an angle, see if we can get the grease over to the side. There we go. That will work. Now we're going to see about toasting this bread a little. Either we're going to ruin it or we'll see. Maybe working. Yeah, it feels toasted. I think that's good enough. Alright. Some mayo. See what that looks like. Plenty. Alright. I'm going to put some cheese. Bacon. That looks good. lettuce. Pretty good. And some avocado. Oh. Maybe should have put the avocado on first. I don't know, it still looks pretty good so far. Let me that down and wipe this knife off a little bit. Top on the mayonnaise, top on the cheese. Pick up a piece of avocado and drop. Ah, come on. And a couple tissues. I think we gotta have more pepper. And a little more salt. Top on that bad boy. Smush it down a little bit. I don't know. Not a bad bacon, lettuce, and tomato sandwich. I'll let you know how it was after I eat it. Thanks for bearing through that with me. Alrighty, we'll see you in a little while. Well, the rain has gotten here. Temps seems to be okay. Looks like the tarp is gonna hold up unless the winds get really bad. Bring in some of this stuff. But maybe I'll make a cup of coffee. Actually, it's quite soothing in the rain. I'm sure that you can hear that, but not too bad. But I'll record some of it. I don't know if you can see it all that clearly, but anyway, I think I will. I think I'll have a cup of coffee and I'll get back with you. Alrighty. Well, made the coffee. Still raining. But tent's in good shape. Tarp's still holding up. Water's starting to rise a little bit. Got me a little bit concerned. This was a low spot, but we'll see how it. We'll see what transpires. And what time? 20 minutes to 5. Yeah, 20 minutes to 5. So, other than the water, which I don't know, the skies are kind of lightening up. So I'm hoping the rain slows down. I don't mind the rain. with just this water. It's got me a little bit concerned, but no worries. Alrighty, I'll probably eat maybe an hour or something. Anyway, maybe not. Maybe I'll just have coffee. Alrighty, we'll catch you in a minute. And for a little bit of refreshment, I decided to buy 4 of these. Having a couple before dinner and have a couple after dinner, but they're actually pretty good. Kind of a foo-foo drink, I guess, but I like the apple, and I'm glad that I picked the apple. It's pretty good. See if I can swing this around. So cheers to everyone, and I'll see you right around dinner time for the other 2. Refreshing. Really tastes good. What is it? Green apple. Never had, I don't think I've had one before. Not bad. Alrighty. See you at dinner. Hello everyone. This is the ending to the camping test video. I just got through doing the live stream, and I told everybody that at least to watch the last 3 minutes of the camping video coming out because of the ending. Anyway, it wasn't the ending that I had anticipated. What it did, as you've seen towards the end of the video, the water was starting to pile up over here and over here. And I said I was a little bit worried, and I was, but I wasn't horribly worried. The tent, even if I was on the cot, nothing was going to happen. So I decided not to eat, cooked this pasta, and just had the 2 cups of coffee, and was laying there watching a movie, and saw headlights come up. It was, well, I'm going to say maybe 6:30, 7 o'clock, maybe something like that. Anyway, it's just to reinforce the love that I have for my Thai family in Thailand. I open it up, and there's my pouring rain, just pouring, right? There's my father-in-law, my mother-in-law, and my wife standing there saying, "You're coming home." And I said, "I'm fine, no big deal." She said, "No, we're going to pick up all the stuff. The air conditioner is going to get ruined. It's in the water. It's going to flood. We're worried about you." All of them said that. It's amazing, man. It never ceases to amaze me, the kindness and the loving of my Thai family, every Thai person that I've met so far. So we did everything except for the tent and the awning, the laptop, the refrigerator, the air conditioner, all the boxes, pulled everything. The only thing that was left there was the 2 tarps on the ground and the tent and the awning, and took that down. So none of that stuff was filmed or anything. I didn't, think to even do it. I probably should have. It would have been easier than doing this probably. But I just wanted everybody to know. And I really appreciate it if you are a supporter of this channel. At least comment on what you think. It's just a test. Hopefully when I do the next one, it'll be a little bit more of, done properly as far as editing and stuff, shot from the outside with the lights inside the tent, all the stuff that I could think of. Put the drone up. I didn't get a chance to do that because of the rain, but just give me your honest opinion. No, it was no good. I won't watch any of them, and or if you liked it. And if you're not subscribed, then you're a new subscriber. Please subscribe. It doesn't cost anything. And if you like the video, give it a thumbs up. I'd appreciate it. And I want to thank everybody for watching the video, and I will catch you on the next one. Thanks again.